are we going to do with it? What do we do in 243 with it? Very often, right? Where, there's something else we can do with it too, if you want. There's something else we can do with it too, in conjunction with one of our stats. Let's do your one of our stats. I like that idea. So one of our stats, do I have to put L1, L2?
No.
Got raw data. Everything's raw, which means you can just run one of our stats. Boom! What does all this tell us? What does all this tell us? There's a lot of stuff here. Your job is to now interpret it. One of our stats gives you a lot of things. Let's make sure we understand what is important and what is not so important for us. Okay, good. So we've got an average weight of a Del Taco. Let's put this over here. We got a Del Taco half-pound bean and cheese burrito. The average of our sample is about 53 hundredths or 0.53 pounds. Let's put the unit on there. A little bit less, 52.6 hundredths. We'll call it 0.53, that's fine. Maybe we should call it 0.526 just because we have all that. Oh, you know what? What the hell? Let's do it. Let's not sacrifice my precision. I've got three decimal places of precision. 0.526, I like that. All right. So we're done. That's more than a half, yes? That's more than a half. Which means we're getting our money's worth. How? Please.
What about the sample standard deviation?
What about it? Do we care about it?
I would think so.
Why? I'm done. 0.526 is bigger than 0.5, right?
Yeah, but there's that margin of error.
How confident am I in saying the average weight of a Del Taco half-pound bean and cheese burrito is 0.526 pounds? How confident am I? Mikey votes 0. Are we voting 0% confident in that? We have to! Because there's no difference, friends, at all. There's no difference, friends, at all between the formation of a confidence interval around a proportion that we just talked about, thank you Alex again for that, estimating a population proportion, and over here where we're trying to estimate a population's... What are we estimating right now? The average! Let's take a quick pause. I'm going to mute the screen for a second, and let's make sure we know where we're headed before we head down the path any further. Let's check the street sign. Check the street sign. So, where we were last week, last class. Back this up a little bit so we can see it. Good.